Can't even tell you how happy I am to have picked up this socket set from WORKPRO. Comes in this nice molded plastic case. You can see there's clips here. Open it up and look at it. They're all the Torx bits. You got everything you need. You got your Torx and your Torx T70s even, all the way down to, we got TP8 and then the TT70. So you have the security bits, and you have E4 to E24, tons of different ones. You got your normal, you got the TP, your T, T6 to T70, TT6 to TT70, TP8 to TP60. These are just these random weird bits that are more and more common. You're going to run into them if you work on stuff in a good amount, and you don't use them all the time. So I always end up like losing what I want. So have them all just be in this case so they're safe. I just grab them all. Never know which one you need. Right now I need this E12 to go work on the seat bolt. You can see they're all nice quality. Here, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, everything you need. I'm gonna go take it out the seat bolt so I can put in a little part. But yeah, this is a nice set. I highly recommend it.